like me, taking some time off, need to work on just basic maneuvers. And look at this, I can't even do a U-turn in here. This used to be easy for me. So I have my work cut out for me. What I need to practice, now I can, sure there's no cars coming behind me, I can use my driveway. Okay, now I can make a bigger U-turn. Look, still can't make it. So still can't make it. That's terrible. Ability, it's gotten terrible. So having some time off from riding, you know, I'm rusty. So how, you know, it can be a little nerve-wracking getting back on the bike. So as you saw today, I'm working some, just doing some U-turns, some whatever you want to call them, figure eights. I don't know if I can find a empty parking lot. I was doing it in my driveway. I don't want to, or in the road in front of my house. I don't want to make the neighbors too mad doing that for too long. My bike's not that loud though. So, you know, getting back, that it's surprising how quickly you can lose, because those in-time maneuver, I'm certainly no expert, for sure. I've been riding for a while, but if you're not practicing quite a bit each year, you lose it very quickly. So tracking those figure eights, some U-turns, and now I'm going to just get comfortable again with and I just realized my helmet's not strapped. Oh, isn't that brilliant? God darn it. So interesting day to practice when you're rusty on some curves. It's a windy day, and, and I'm yelling. It's about 55.4 degrees Fahrenheit, so a little chilly today riding. And one of the things you're gonna, if you're a new rider or a rusty rider, getting used to that wind blasting you. Especially when you're going a little, you know, I'm not going extremely fast, but I'm going a little over 60, about 65 there. Getting used to that wind hitting you. Today it's cold wind. Get going faster, that's when I stiffen up. You know, new riders, that's going to happen. Anyway, it's gonna happen, because it's happening to me, more. I wish there was no cars in this parking lot. To be a perfect parking lot to try to do some maneuvering. See, okay, here you go. My maneuvering's pretty good here, but it's a huge circle. For rusty, as I was saying earlier, you know, I'm just focusing on stuff, you know, flashing back when I was just learning how to ride 15 years ago, still focusing on the basics. You know, I've rode a little over the last few years each season, but not much. So, you know, the basics as far as clutch control and stuff like that for normal shifting, no issues. But though clutch control and throttle control on those tighter maneuvers, as you saw, it's a completely different story. That little circle I did in that huge circle I did in that parking lot, yeah, that's, shoot. I'm not good with hills. Wasn't before. Look at that view. We did some tight corners maneuvering just a little bit. Wish that parking lot was empty. Did some hills, did a little faster speed. Quite cautious here on these hills coming down. I got down to like 60 miles per hour, maybe a little lower. Coming back up, going a little faster. So, thank you for watching. Just a little practice I'm working on since I'm rusty, haven't ridden much in the last few years. Want to see some of the products I have used and use in this video? Check out my links in the description. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.